One of the most important decisions to make at weaning is which diet to use and how much of that diet. We need to develop a feeding program that suits the pigs on that particular farm. The first choice is to select a diet which is easily digested and easily eaten. So we use a diet which is very highly digestible, a diet with lots of milk powder, fish meal and cooked cereals that will be eaten and promote growth and also prevent diarrhea. Once feed intake is established though, it's important to move off that expensive diet onto something that's a little cheaper. And we can move from one diet, the digestible diet, onto a diet which is less digestible but more appropriate to the pig and is more palatable. And so we feed a quantity of that diet, usually something in the region of 2 to 4 kilos, before the pig is ready to move on to another diet which is slightly cheaper and less digestible, in this case the blue diet. So we develop a feeding program, 2 kilos of the first in this case, 4 kilos of the second and 3 kilos of the blue bag. And the staff then know exactly how many bags to use in a particular pen. On this particular farm we use 5 bags of the first white bag, followed by 10 bags of the cream, followed by 8 bags of the blue. It's a nice easy program to follow. Choosing the right diet and the right quantity of diet is so important that we recommend that each farm has a written version of the feeding program handy. On this feeding program we like to see the quantity of diet per pig, but also the number of bags per pen to be fed. We also recommend that the number of days, the expected days it takes to eat each diet is on the feeding program, and then you can see if the pigs are up to scratch or falling behind. One of these on each farm is a great way to make sure the right diet is fed at the right time.
To calculate the number of bags of food required at each stage, simply multiply the number of pigs in the pen with their allocation. For instance, 87 pigs at 2 kilos per pig. This gives us a total of 174 kilograms. To work out a number of bags, check the weight of the bag, which is usually 25 kilograms, and divide the amount of food by the bag weight. In this case, 174 divided by 25 is 7 bags. On the 7th bag, you would start the changeover process with their next diet.